What would happen if 26 million acre-feet of water suddenly surged eastward at 1,000 miles per hour? Right now, Lake Mead sits calmly behind Hoover Dam, 726 feet of engineered concrete holding back one of America's largest reservoirs. But if Earth suddenly stopped spinning, that water wouldn't stop with it. The entire lake would become a wall of liquid moving faster than sound, carrying the force of billions of tons. Hoover Dam, one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements, would vanish in seconds. The concrete would shatter like glass against physics itself. No structure on Earth can withstand the planet's own momentum. Even our greatest monuments become dust against rotational force.